How to change the side of the camera toolbar on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, swipe towards the right and you will be led to the interface from where you can add stories and make posts on Instagram. Here, tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen, and under the controls tab, you will see the option for left side and right side. So go ahead and tap on your preferred option. That is, you can either select left side or the right side option, and with this, the camera toolbar will appear on that respective side. So this is how you can change the side of camera toolbar on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.